Hello and welcome back to the Infinity Hoop Workout channel, where we're taking weight loss 1 pound at a time. Today we've got a lower body workout for you with 2-minute sprints. This one is a little bit more spiked up than the other one because we're going to be sprinting for 2 minutes straight and we're going to rest for 1 minute in between. So I hope that you're well rested because this workout is going to take you to another level. So we're going to begin with a 2-minute warm-up. You want to use this time to get a good rate going, get a good rhythm going, one that you'll be able to maintain when you're not doing your sprints. If you haven't already done your stretches before you started this video, go ahead and hit that pause button and make sure that you get those stretches in. With these sprints, you're really going to be putting to the test those leg muscles, so you want to make sure that you especially concentrate on doing those leg stretches before we get started. So as you settle into this 2-minute warm-up, go ahead and develop a good rhythm and we'll get ready for our sprints coming up next. Since this is a 15-minute video, that means that you'll need to do this video twice in order to get your 30-minute workout for the day. Remember, a 30-minute workout is equivalent to a 2-mile run, so you want to make sure that you're getting the most out of your workout. Since you're already committed, you might as well see the results. Coming up next is our first 2-minute interval. Remember, during the interval, you want your ball to be going as fast as you can and try to keep it going for the full 2 minutes. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. These sprints are really going to test your endurance, so try to maintain the same pace. Once you've set your pace for your interval, you want to keep that pace for the entire 2 minutes so that you can get the maximum calorie burn. Keep it going, guys. You got 1 minute down. That's 1 more minute to go. Keep it up, guys. Make sure you're picking up your feet so that you're getting the maximum calorie burn. The purpose of these videos is to help you maximize your calorie burn. We want to keep you progressing. So once you've conquered one video, move on to the next one. We're going to try to make them as challenging as possible so that you can get the most out of your calorie burn. "15 seconds to go. You're doing great." Awesome. Interval number 1 done. Enjoy your 1-minute break. I'm sure that you've already noticed that the 2-minute sprint is a whole lot different than the 1 minute. But this is to help to challenge you so that you can push yourself forward. So hang in there and stay with it to the end. Go ahead and start preparing yourself for interval number 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Make it your goal to conquer this challenge today. 2-minute sprints are kind of tough, but you can do it because you're tough too. So let's get it. Keep that ball going as fast as you can make it go to make that calorie burn. On to minute number 2. You can do it. Just think back to when you first started doing the infinity hoop, how at first you couldn't even get it to stay going around. Now not only do you have it going around, you have it going around as fast as possible while you're jogging in place. That's because you're awesome. Stay with it. Just 15 seconds to conquer. You can make it. Keep going. Interval number 2 done. Enjoy your 1-minute break. Get ready for your next interval. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Don't slow down now. Look at how far you've come. You can crush these 2 minutes. Let's go. Started on minute number 2. Now let's go. Think about the calories that you're burning and pick up the pace. You're crushing this workout, and that's because you're awesome. Keep it going. Interval number 3 done. We are really working up a sweat. Enjoy your 1-minute pause. You should really be proud of yourself for getting this far. Follow it through to the end. Your fourth interval is only going to be 1 minute. We decided to take it easy on you. So get ready to do your final interval in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 1 minute. We're going to be creating a 30-minute video that's going to have 2-minute intervals. So use this 15-minute one to prepare so that you can get there and you'll be able to master that interval. Our goal is to work up to 5-minute intervals. Do you think you're up for the challenge? Interval number 4 done. You should really be sweating at this point. Enjoy your 1-minute pause and then we're going to move into our cool down. Use this time to bring your heart rate down and to recover from the sprints, and then we'll go into our cool down. Congratulations, give yourself a hand. You've made it to the cool down. You were able to hang on 4 intervals of 2-minute sprints. We threw that 1 minute in there so we can give you a break, but you want to make sure that you keep coming back. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so that you can know when that 30-minute interval sprint comes in so that you can hop on it, because by then you should be well rested and ready to go. Remember, the warm-up and the cool down is just as important as the workout in the middle. So don't end it early. Stay with it to the end. You want to make sure that you cool down. It's important that we ease our heart rate back into a resting heart rate, and that's the purpose of the cool down. So stay with it to the end. You'll be glad that you did. You guys did awesome today. You mastered those intervals like a champion. Make sure that you do this video again today so that you get your full 30 minutes in, because you want to make sure to always remember, infinity hoop every day helps keep the pounds away. See you in the next workout.